This video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Stan Store profile photo. In order to do that, first head over to stan.store in order to access their website. From in there, click on Continue or click on the Sign Up option in order to sign up for an account. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click on this Login option that we can see just beside that. Since I already have an account, let me just proceed to log in. Now, here is my Stan Store. So in order to change your profile photo, you can find it by going over right here on the left sidebar. You can find in here your profile. So proceed to click on this. Now click on your profile icon right here. Alternatively, you can also click on the settings option from there. Now in there, in order to add a profile photo, you can proceed to go over your profile. Now from in there, scroll down. You can see another options like analytics, address, and the likes. So if you wish to add profile photo, proceed to actually do so by updating it right here. If you already just set up your account, you just head over to the home page and you should be able to have in here the store setup wherein you can find the option to add it. Click onto this add profile photo. You can see your profile. Click onto this pencil icon. And then from in there, this will open this window wherein you can just choose the profile icon that you wish to use. I'll choose right here this one. Click on open. Then this will upload that. Just crop, zoom, or move it according to your liking. I'll crop it just like this. Now from in there, head over and close, and then you can save this progress as well. In a few seconds, this should be able to reflect directly into this part, and as you can see, your profile image will be saved. Once there, click on save option right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.